She takes all my clothes.
Restart the video, please.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Anya, and today me and my sister are gonna do a little closet haul for you guys. So she has 10 minutes to pick out 10 outfits from my closet, and I'm gonna model them at the end, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, she has a designer soul. She made this shirt.
Wow.
She sewed it herself.
So
Not the most
I'm
stable thing in the world, but
I'm gonna trust
will
her
do.
good style, and hopefully she'll pick out some cool outfits for me. And we'll give you a little runway model show at the end.
Yeah.
She takes all my clothes, literally all my clothes.
You're gonna see what I'm gonna do with their clothes in this video. And
all my
it's gonna be
clothes
great.
are like in her closet right now.
Bruh.
Yeah, I had to bring half of them back.
Yeah, for
When
the
we were-
for this
just for
video.
this video, I brought half of her clothes back to her closet.
Go subscribe to the channel right now, and the clock is starting. So 10 minutes to pick out 10 outfits. Let's go.
She actually has a lot of good clothes, but I feel like she does not bring out like the potential in them. So I'm just gonna start going because I don't have that much time. Gorge. I might have to go with some like darker jeans with this jacket though. I'm thinking these instead. Also, oh shit, I just broke a rack. Oh my god. Okay, well, you know what? At least we got the jeans out. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, here we go. This one has some pizzazz too. Oh my god, I just got the best idea in the world. These Minion pants, flippin' adorable. Adorable. Oh my gosh, look at that. Isn't this so cute? So cute. They're like really long too. You know how hard it is to find long pants? Insanely hard. Okay. This like cute green halter top. For the blue pants, this like mesh shirts, sparkle. Jean jumpsuit. Super like Britney Spears. Absolutely adorable. Now we have these adorable low-rise jeans. Look at these cute little buttons. This is so cute. These are actually from Ralph Lauren. How many outfits do we have now? 1, 2. 5. We're halfway through, guys. I think we're gonna go with this, like, once again, mesh, like, plaid top.
Because I feel like
This is just gonna go, like, right up to where the low rise starts. It's gonna be, like, it's gonna be a very
Y2K outfit.
Y2K outfit. We're gonna style this raincoat.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, I'm going yellow. I did a yellow one with the pants, but that's okay.
I really like this raincoat and I think it's super cute. And I think I can actually make it look good even though when you look at it, like now, you think you're looking at a traffic cone.
These pants. Now, look how beautiful it is. Like, hello? How can we not put this in the vlog? Like, what? Now, let's go see all the outfits.
It's time! Okay guys, I'm back. So now it's time to try on all the outfits. She barely made it in like the time limit that we had, but she got all 10 somehow. I don't know how, because it's literally a minute per outfit to choose. But she kind of just threw everything out of my closet, so I don't know what pants, what shirts, what stuff she chose, so it's a surprise for me too. So she's gonna go dress me and we'll come back and give you a little fashion show. Okay, here's like the pile of clothes she picked out. I don't know, I guess she just remembered what outfits because like this looks like a hot mess. I'm honestly like a little scared, like hopefully she didn't like choose like the worst
Clothes I have and make me look bad, but
you know what, I think she did a good job.
Outfit 1.
3, 2, 1.
Freedom and love, what he's looking for. One more and more. People just want more and more. People just want more and more. Freedom and love. Freed from desire, mind and senses purified. Freed from desire, mind and senses purified. Freed from desire, mind and senses purified. Freed from desire. Na 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 na
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.